about what your father looks like. How do you look like him? You both have 2 arms and 2 legs. You both have eyes and a nose. You look a lot alike. People can look like their parents. We get bigger when we grow up. Maybe our hair changes. We go through a life cycle. But we don't change our body shapes. We just look like smaller adults. Every living thing has a life cycle. It starts when the plant, insect, or animal is born. It ends when the organism dies. Life cycles have different stages. Stages are times in a living thing's life. For example, you used to be a baby. Now you are a child. These are 2 different stages in your life. What will happen next? What will you look like when you're an adult? Many animal parents and their young look kind of the same. These babies are born with the same parts as their parents. Some babies and parents are even the same color. The young lion and the parent both have ears and paws. Some young look very different from their parents. An animal, like a frog, goes through many big changes in its life cycle. Look at the picture below. A frog starts as an egg. Then the egg hatches. Out comes a tadpole. The tadpole grows legs and gets bigger. But it still doesn't look like an adult frog. It's called a froglet. Then what happens? The new adult frog lays eggs. The life cycle goes on. Not all animals that hatch from eggs change as much as frogs. Chickens hatch from eggs. Fish do too. Once they hatch, they look a lot like their parents. Insects are different. Newborn bees do not look like adult bees. What's going on here? How does the insect change as it grows? Most insects have 4 stages. Each stage is different. When you look at an insect, you can tell what stage it is in.